That's too painful.
I would like to, I'd like to be able to convey to you what that experience is like, but I can't. I won't be able to talk about that.
Okay.
Serial Killer Autopsy, Ted Bundy. In the annals of American crime, few names evoke the same chilling recognition as Ted Bundy. Handsome, intelligent, and disarmingly charming, he shattered the comforting myth that evil announces itself. Between 1974 and 1978, this former law student and crisis center volunteer murdered more than 30 young women across 7 states, using his charisma as a weapon, and his intelligence as a shield. Read the full story in Serial Killer Autopsy, Ted Bundy, now available for purchase on Amazon and all major book retailers. For details see the description.